The bonus superpower is visualize. I love the spirit fingers. So the way I would add this to my child's daily rhythm and routine and introduce this to my child or my children would be like all the other superpowers. Just add this throughout the day. This is great for conversation. So this is great in the car. Like you pick your child up from school. Hey, let's use superpower visualize right now. Who is your favorite person in this moment that you can visualize? And then have them explain who that is. And what are they doing and why are they your favorite? And this could be something, again, if you need an activity that they can draw. They can draw it, they can write about it, they can discuss it, they can phone the person. What is your favorite place that you're visualizing at the moment? And again, it could be, depending on the age, it could be the playground. It could be baseball practice. It could be their bedroom. Parents, the way I would introduce visualize at home with my children is with the Hedgy Calm action song, then reading the abridged version with them and moving on to visualize, and having them talk about what is their favorite person, place, and activity. Now, this is a great conversation to have all day, every day, because it changes all the time. Then, if you're in a safe place, so like before going to bed, is have them close their eyes and picture in their head their favorite person, place, or activity. And get them used to picturing it with, again, being quiet, but then also describing to themselves and to you who that is at the moment, where that is at the moment, and what the activity is at the moment. Now, the great thing about this is you can do it every night before they go to bed, and you're going to realize that it may change throughout the day. And maybe that's where you start a family journal, where you write and illustrate all of your favorite people, places, and activities, and one for each person in the family. So then it becomes a reminder that they have and that they can go to when they need it, of who makes them feel good, what place makes them feel good, and what activity makes them feel good. Then they can also explain why that person, place, or activity makes them feel good at that moment.